This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right Office 365 license and reliable internet. This prevents permission and sync delays. Next, enable multi-factor authentication so your account stays secure. Use an authenticator app and save backup codes. Once done, sign in at Office. COM or install the desktop apps. Choose 64-bit for heavy files. Make sure to close other Office sessions before activation because simultaneous installs can cause errors and require reactivation. You now configure the services you'll use every day. Begin by setting OneDrive Sync and enabling Files on Demand so local storage stays lean. This speeds access and reduces backups. Then add your account to Outlook, import contacts, and configure archive and focused inbox rules so mail stays manageable. After that, create Teams and SharePoint sites for collaboration, assign group permissions deliberately, and test file sharing. Granular permissions prevent accidental data exposure. Once these are live, finish by verifying that OneDrive Sync, mail delivery, and Teams notifications work on both desktop and mobile so nothing drops between devices. Then enforce automatic updates, set backup and retention policies, and apply least privilege roles to reduce risk. Provide quick user training and document a single recovery step for common issues. If something goes wrong, check sync status and recent admin audit logs first. Most issues are either unsynced files or permission mismatches, and are resolved by re-signing in and repairing the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.